just working with you guys was such a pleasure. Daisy Edgar-Jones. Mr. Glen Powell. Thank you. I'm sorry. Oh, let's not yell at her. Yeah, it's all right. All right, and I want to also introduce, I'm sorry, Anthony Ramos. Love you guys.
Thank you so much. We're so thrilled to have you guys here. I mean, Twisters is a film for audiences. It's a film to be watched on the big screen with a loud sound system, so you feel like you're chasing these storms with us. Making this film was such a joy. I mean, what a cast, what a director. I feel so lucky to be a part of it, and we thoroughly hope you enjoy.
Also want to thank our filmmaker, Lee Isaac Chung, who is such a special guy. Grew up in the heartland where all this is set. And really is such a special filmmaker because no matter how epic this movie gets, he keeps the heart at its core. It's about the characters and it's about this community. And I also want to thank the community of Oklahoma for opening up their arms to us while making this movie. This movie, you're gonna see, it's gonna blow your mind in every way, and it's because we had Oklahoma really, this is made with Oklahoma, and it's made with all the department heads that really, really brought it. So we had an amazing team sport here, so we're just so grateful for the entire cast and the entire crew.
That was a wild intro. I had to say it. But you know what? We gotta thank our fearless leader, Lee Isaac Chung, one more time. Thanks to the studio, this cast was the best cast you could ever imagine being able to work with. Y'all are just the most amazing humans on earth. And I just want to say thank you to them, to the crew, to Universal, to the whole squad, our producers, Ashley, Frank, everybody, Steven. But I really want to say thank you to y'all too. Like, we ain't got no movie without y'all, man. Like, if y'all don't show up, there's no point, right? So I give yourselves a round of applause, you know, if it's not for you. So we hope you enjoy it. And thanks for being here tonight. It means the world. God bless.
Thank you.